about what insurance really is. You know what insurance really is, right?
No.
It's a wager.
Do I have insurance? I need to call my wife. I need to call my wife.
Think about it. What insurance really is, it's a wager. You're making a bet. You are betting your premium that you're going to have a loss. Think about that. You're betting your premium, say you're spending $1,000, $1,500 a year in premium, that you're going to have a loss. If you don't have a loss, then you feel like you get ripped off because you spent that money in premium, didn't get anything for it.
Right.
But if you do have a loss, what happens? The insurance company has to pay your claim.
But when I talk to a lot of people, and you talked about low premiums and this and that, people, the trade-off they just don't feel is there.
Right.
What is the reality that they need to really know about that trade-off?
They could be budget constrained. There could be other issues there. But there's going to be a couple of themes that you should really think about, things that you should look for in an insurance policy. Can go into a lot of depth if you want to or not, but some things you ought to look for. Probably the first thing that I get a lot of is I'll talk to realtors, and realtors will say, well, is the roof in good shape? So when you buy a house, you're concerned about the roof, right? Because sooner or later we're going to have a windstorm, hailstorm, and it's going to knock your roof out, right? So the question from a realtor's perspective is the roof in good shape? From an insurance perspective, that same question is, how old is the roof? And it's a different question. And the reason it's important to understand how old it is, because at some point the insurance company is going to stop giving you replacement coverage, and they're just going to give you depreciated coverage, right? Think about it. If you've got an old car, it's a 20-year-old car, and you total it, you expect to get maybe, $1,000 for it, $500 maybe, because it's an old car. If you're driving a new car and you total it, you expect to get something close to what it cost you when you bought it. And a roof works the same way. At some point, the insurance company is not going to give you back for that roof to replace it because it's too old.